Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you can tell from the title today, we are going to do a green smoky slash halo type look. And as you all know, we are accustomed to our natural glam, our natural beats, but I say, hey, let's step out of our comfort zone today and add some color, right? So if it is you're interested in seeing how it is I achieve this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and on TikTok. And I'll see you guys over there. I just want to let each and every one of you know, thank you. I appreciate you so much for your support thus far. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you for coming back each and every time. And don't make this too long. Let's go to the video, right? Bye. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's up. Hi my kindreds. So let's get into this makeup look. So first we are going to do this eye primer. So you can use a concealer, or if you want you can use an eye primer and blend that out. Whichever one you choose, it's all up to you. So I'm going in with my contour powder here as my transition color. So I'm putting that in my crease. I'm patting that in. As you know, the eye primer is tacky. You did not set it, so it will grasp all the color that you are putting on there. So I'm going in the crease of my eyes and blend that out as much as I could. Next, I'm going in with this yellow color here, and I'm putting that on the outer part of this transition color here, and I'm patting that in. As you can see from the other side, it looks very light, and it's just a transition, right? It's just a blending thing. It's all about blending. So we're going in with this first green. It looks kind of teal on camera. I wish I'd be able to show you all this so much more in detail, but you all need to bear with me in terms of the camera quality. But hey, we're gonna do this despite, right? Next, we are going in with black. Now we're going to smoke it out. Both inner and outer corner of the eyes, we are placing that black, and it's all about the blend. Blend, blend, blend. So we're blending back and forth with the green and the black to make sure that there's no line of demarcation. Right? And now I'm going back in with those two colors that I used before, the brown and the yellow, just to make sure that it don't disappear into my lids, and also to soften out those harsher colors that we just placed. Next, you see I'm going here with my finger with this kind of dark color, darker green, so it makes it look more mossy than it was looking prior. So you see that you just place it on top of it. I find that it works better with my finger than with a brush. And again, you go in with your brush and you blend those colors so they wouldn't be harsh. Now I'm going in with this other green. It's all about the greens today. It's all about the greens, and I'm going on top of that, right? To give that kind of shimmery look to the middle of the eye. This is how we're going to get the halo effect. I'm now taking my highlighter and I'm putting more shimmer in the center of the eye. As I said, this is to give the halo effect, right? So it's a smoky halo look. That's what we're doing, right? And again, blend. So you go in and you blend the edges of those colors, because we don't want it to look harsh or stark or anything like that. We want everything to flow with each other. So next I take some oil-free eye makeup remover and I put it on a cotton pad just to remove all that fallout that I have under my eyes, clean it up before we moisturize again and start applying makeup. So we don't want anything on our skin there. We want to make sure that it is clean. So this part is customary. I use my Nivea cream and I ensure to moisturize the skin. Guys, do not apply makeup on dry skin
always ensure that you moisturize properly at least an hour before. This is just reapplying some moisture here that you see I'm doing, but ensure that your skin is moisturized, right? Also go in with some face primer. Face primer is very important. There are primers that do different things. So this one that was white, that one was for hydrating, and this one that black, it is for blurring of the skin. So it will give a more smooth finish. And I'm going in with my foundation that I've been using for quite a while now, right? And blend that out. Yes, brows, girl, brows, giving brows. Look at it. Next, you see, I'm going to conceal. I'm not actually using a concealer, I'm actually using a lighter foundation. So, it's actually going to give me some coverage as well. Next, I'm contouring with a powder. This will give me a more natural contour than if I was to use a cream contour and then add powder on top. So, it gives you a more subtle contour. That's what I was going for. We don't want to look too harsh. Then you see I'm just blending under the eyes again. I take my powder on my sponge and I pat it out under I pat it out on my hands. This is to give me not so much powder when I am setting. So you see it's not very bright under my eyes. It gives me enough powder that I need to set under my eyes, and now I can go back with how much I want to, and it will not look too harsh. Everything will look good. Now I'm going in with this loose powder here. It smells so good. I love this powder. It's like a translucent powder. It's very creamy white, right? It might give you a little brightness, but it doesn't really add color to the skin. So as you can see here, I am able to set more, but without adding that pigments that I don't need. Right, and I'm just blending those edges again with my contour powder. I also use that loose powder on my eyebrow bones to set that concealer that was there, so if nothing will be moving. You go in, you contour your nostrils, you go with your compact powder and you go all over in circular motion to give that blend of all powders that is on the skin now. Next, I'm going in with some eyeliner here. I didn't show you all this one, but I did do it, and add some lashes. And as you all know, lashes bring the look together. I love these lashes. So next, I'm going on my lower lid, and I'm doing the same thing that I basically did on my upper lid, but I'm only using the green and the brown. That's to tie those colors into each other. So you see I'm lining my lower lid with the green, and I'm using my contour powder to just blend that out so it will blend into my skin and not look crazy. Next, I'm taking that little yellow. It is a shimmer, right? I don't know if you're seeing it so well on camera, but I'm putting that in my inner eye duct, right, to give you a little pop of color, a little highlight there, right? I don't know if you're seeing it so well. Looking at it here, you're seeing it, but it's not looking so distinct. Anyhow, I'm lining my lips, as you all know. Brown liner, line those lips, blend it out, throw a gloss on or lipstick, put a gloss on top. You know the deal. This is how we do it, right? Everything remains the same, right? And for us chocolate girls, we need to line those lips because we can wear any color that we want. I'm not wearing color here because we're doing a lot on the eyes already, right? But we can wear any color that we want. Just throw a liner on. Don't make anybody make you feel that you can wear color. But in this time, we're keeping it nude. We're keeping it subtle. Next, I'm going in with my highlighter here, and you throw that on wherever you want it, on your nose, on your cupid's bow, higher parts of your cheekbones. If you want it on your eyebrow bones, your forehead, wherever you want to put it, girl, you do what you do, right? And next, I'm going to set with my e.l.f. matte spray here, and as you can see, I just cover the eyes. If you want to, you don't need to, but you know, that's it, girl. Right guys, so this is the finished look for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it and is willing to recreate this look, right? So you know, we trying to come out of our shell from the natural looks and start adding some color, right guys? So if it is you all enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Don't forget to comment down below, say hey to your girl, right? If it is you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Shalana Aesthetic. Don't forget I am on TikTok at Shalana_Aesthetic as well. Right? And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for viewing.